Hey guys, I wanted to show you our new office slash shop that we just picked up here. We're moving to our new location, and unfortunately we don't have any indoor space very much, or not a lot of it. So we have to improvise on as far as finding space for a little office and for a little work area, a little workshop to be able to work on equipment, sharpen blades, store supplies, stuff like that. So I've picked up this 8.5 by 24 foot enclosed trailer, and I'm going to show you kind of what we're going to do inside, what the plan is. So what I'm basically going to do is, this thing is 24 feet long. I'm going to put a divider wall up on the front 10 feet or so, and I'm going to use that space as the office for the guys, and then I'm going to, on the back of this wall, I'm going to put the little workshop that'll have a little bench and all of our tools and stuff like that, and some storage that we can, store chemicals, store supplies, stuff like that. So let me show you the inside. It's a little bit dark, unfortunately. I don't have electric hooked up to it yet, but here in the front, when you come in, I'm going to put this wall up here in the middle where this second 2x4 is. You can see the people that bought it before me, they've already added an air conditioner and heater. They actually already insulated the walls, which is a big deal because we will be, heating and cooling this space. But what we're going to have here is, I'm going to put a little small kitchenette right here. The little mini fridge that we already have, microwave, Keurig, some storage cabinets for storing all the snacks and things that we provide for the guys, and maybe some kind of little cooktop that you plug in. Over here, I'm going to have our chest freezer where we keep the ice packs that the guys put in their coolers throughout the day, freeze pops, stuff like that. Have some more shelving above that just to be able to store food and snacks and stuff like that. Right here, I'm going to build a little fold down kind of dining room table that's about 4 feet by 4 feet. And around that, we'll be able to put 4 or 5 chairs, and the guys can sit down and eat breakfast in the morning, or they can sit there when we are doing training and such like that. Going to build another storage cabinet right here for storing shirts and other supplies. And then on this wall that we're building right here, I'm going to put our TV that we do our buzz sessions with, that we look at videos. It's I don't remember how big it is, like 55, 60 inches. But we use that for PowerPoint presentations when we hire a new employee. We use it to watch videos for training. I'm also going to put a vertical monitor to the left of that, and that monitor is going to display our KPIs at all times. So when the guys come in the morning, they do what's called a buzz session, in which we tell them what's going on, what we're selling. We educate them on treatment we're doing or what's going on in the lawn, stuff like that. We share our numbers, which would be with those KPIs, and stuff like that. So we're going to be able to be really efficient with that. Right beside that, I'm going to have a little desk where I can come here and work on my laptop, kind of get out of the house, do stuff like that. Or the manager can do that if they need to look at the schedule or order supplies or whatnot. So the wall's right here, imaginary wall. On this side of the wall, there's going to be a door that leads back here into the workshop area. On the workshop area, on the back side of this wall, is going to be a little 5-foot bench, a workbench where we can sharpen blades. We'll have tool storage and stuff like that under it, and that'll just be our area to do repairs and sharpen blades, maintain stuff. I'll have more storage shelves along this wall to store our chemicals and pesticides and whatnot, other supplies. And then this rest of this area will obviously be left open. So if I need to pull like the Ryobi trailer into here, or the Ryobi mowers into here and change out the batteries, or if I need to repair something or whatnot, I'll have a nice climate controlled space to be able to do that. So now the project begins. I've got to rip a lot of these panels down. I've got to run electrical. I've got to run lighting. I've got to basically build this wall. I've basically got to, a lot of work to be able to get this space the way it needs to be. And once I do that, I'm going to make it look really cool. I'm going to, paint it really nicely. I'm going to have accent walls with colors. I'm going to put maybe some LED lighting around the top, of different colors to make it look really cool. I want this to be a very inviting space for our employees. I want them to feel very comfortable here. It's I want it to be part of our culture that the guys, have nice, clean equipment to use, nice place to go to, so that they take pride in what they do and where they work. So I'm going to buy some nice gaming chairs to have around the table. The guys, if they work a hard day and they want to stay after and play PlayStation or something on the TV or watch a movie together, they'll have a nice, comfortable space to do that. It's not a huge place, but, it'll be practical. They'll have snacks, they'll have drinks. That's kind of what I'm going for with this space, because, at our current shop, we don't really have that. It's not climate controlled. It works, but, it's definitely nothing that you'd be proud of. I want this to be, a nice space where the guys are happy to hang out here, after hours. We can get together and do cookouts. We can, bring the kids, watch a movie, do stuff like that. So that's the plan. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm going to spend the next week getting this thing ready, and hopefully we'll be able to complete our move to the new location in about 2 or 3 weeks. And then I'll share a video with you guys of kind of, what our new location looks like.